Welcome to how to earn money from Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money by creating and selling custom designs. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Like for an example, you can click here on create a design, or you can simply search for any template you want, like T-shirt. After you search for t-shirt, you can find any template for any t-shirt. Then after you find the template here, you can customize the template. You can change this picture to a custom picture, like you can delete it and put here like your picture. As you see, you can put here your picture. Here you can add the name, and you can add an example too, like you can add someone's picture here and someone's name, and you can add other stuff like birthday, anything else, and emojis and other cool pictures. So when you do this, you can upload it to a website like Etsy. So Etsy is the best one for this stuff. You can upload it to eBay or any other website, Shopify. So people will ask you for a custom design, like adding their name, their picture, their birth date. Then you can add the design here, go to file, then create a new design. Then every time you can open this template and change anything you want from it. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.